Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. I am also well. Today I have come to help you to use connector in class 9 and 10 level and 11 and 12 level also, because connector is essential and connector question of connector is given in class 9, 10, 11, 12. Many students are confused what type of words will be used in connectors. Some students use preposition or other types of words, but no way you can use except connectors or except these words. You have to remember, you have to memorize, you have to understand the use of these words to fill in the gap in the connector. So be careful enough while using connectors. So let's get started. Code-ending conjunction. The words of code-ending conjunction will be used. The words of subordinating conjunction will be used. The words of relative pronoun. The words of relative adverb. And some adverbs. And some phrases also, such as in addition to. For example, these types of words, dear. So let's get started in detail. Code-ending conjunction. And but or yet otherwise. You know that yet, but or yet otherwise, these types of words are absolutely or mostly used in compound sentence. Now coming at this level, you know well what is simple sentence, which is complex sentence, which is compound sentence. You know well. Mostly and but or yet otherwise, these types of words are found in compound sentence. Whenever you are in the connector, try to maintain two things. Try to maintain grammatical structure and the meaning. If you say that, sir, I have put and but or yet otherwise any word, then I see that the sentence is absolutely in compound sentence and the meaning is right. Meaning has come there. Okay, that is absolutely right. And connector may vary from student to student in some cases. Again, a word can be used twice or thrice in some cases. You should not be confused for that. Okay, and but or yet otherwise, these types of words are mostly used in compound sentence. Again, in simple sentence also we find. Okay, as well as both and, not only but also. Therefore, either or, neither nor, more or never less. You know the use of these words. These words are actually used in a simple sentence. But and but or yet otherwise, these types of words are also used in simple sentence, but mostly in compound sentence we find these types of words. So sentence must be under your control. I don't know what type of sentence it is. Not in that way. You know that absolutely it is in compound sentence, it is in simple sentence. In this way you have to put the what you have to fill in the gap. Then subordinating conjunction. I have uploaded a video on clause, so please watch the video. Very much important. Clause is very much important in the connector, complete sentence, simple complex compound, and in other sections also. Clause, there is no alternative to have the knowledge of clause, dear. So you must understand clause. These words are included in absolutely complex sentence. What is complex sentence? The sentence that contains one principal clause, one or more than one subordinate clause is called complex sentence. I know that he is honest. I know principal clause. That he is honest is subordinate clause. I know why he comes. I know principal clause. Why he comes, subordinate clause. If you come, I shall go. If you come, subordinate clause. I shall go, principal clause, in this way. And you know the use of these words. Again, I will discuss those on completing sentence item. So you should be careful what type of videos are coming next. Then relative pronoun. That, who is, whom, what. That, who, whom, which, what. These types of words are also in the connectors, and you have to try to know the use of these words. Actually, within short time, it cannot be described in details, but I am trying to do so. Relative adverb. When, where, how, why. I know where he lives. I asked him when he was coming. I didn't know why he had done it in this way. Adverb such as sometimes, obviously, undoubtedly, surely, these types of words are used. Again, if I say that some phrases such as in addition to, at the beginning, at the end, first of all, above all, after all, these types of words are used in the connectors. I would like to recap you again that connectors, these types of words will be used. You cannot exceed that. You cannot ignore these types of words. You cannot write preposition or other types of words in the connector. Coordinating conjunction and but or yet otherwise, these types of words are mostly used in compound sentence, but in simple sentence also those are used. Such as if I say that otherwise you cannot get it, it is absolutely complex simple sentence. But if I say that read attentively otherwise you cannot get it, that is again in compound sentence. So you should be careful enough. I have told you to combine two things: grammatical structure, grammatical fact, and the meaning. If two things are combined, that will be absolutely right your answer. Then subordinating conjunction. These words are found in absolutely complex sentence. According to the demand, according to the necessity, put these words in the gap and see whatever it is in complex sentence. If it is in complex sentence and meaning is right, that is absolutely going to be right. No confusion should have there. These types of words, relative pronoun, that, who is, whom, what. These types of will be what will be. You know the use of those. Again, I have told that I will discuss those on completing sentence in detail. Relative adverb, when, where, how, why. Adverb and some phrases. So, try to use these types of words. If you are in confusion, try to make sentences. Try to make sentence with these words. Write down these words on your notebook and one by one try to make sentence with these ones. I am repeating again that two things you should maintain: grammatical facts or structure and the meaning in the connector. If two things are combined properly, your answer will be absolutely right. Answer may vary from student to student. No problem for that. Have confidence always. I will come with more videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you all.